Welcome to the future of making money. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible AI side hustles that could help you earn $500 a day in 2025. Get ready to transform your earning potential. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool ready to be leveraged for significant income. AI can automate tasks, generate content, and provide insights that were once impossible or incredibly time-consuming. First up, AI-powered content creation. This isn't about replacing human creativity, but enhancing it, allowing you to produce high-quality content at an unprecedented speed and scale. Imagine writing blog posts and articles in a fraction of the time. AI tools can help you research topics, generate outlines, and even draft entire sections, freeing you up to focus on refinement and unique perspectives. Beyond written content, AI can generate compelling scripts for your videos and podcasts. This includes everything from initial concepts to dialogue, helping you maintain a consistent flow and professional tone, which is crucial for engagement and audience retention. Next, let's explore AI in the world of graphic design and art. This side hustle taps into the growing demand for unique visuals and personalized branding. AI can create unique images and logos that are tailored to specific needs. Whether it's for a new business, a personal brand, or a creative project, AI tools can generate diverse visual options quickly, saving hours of traditional design work. Once you have your AI-generated artwork, you can sell it online through various platforms. This opens up a passive income stream, allowing you to create a portfolio of unique digital art that appeals to a wide audience. The demand for high-quality voiceovers is booming, and AI is stepping up to the plate. This side hustle offers a versatile way to earn income without needing a recording studio or vocal training. AI voice synthesis can produce incredibly realistic and natural-sounding voiceovers for commercials, audiobooks, e-learning modules, and more. This technology allows you to offer a professional service efficiently. You can monetize these AI voice acting services by offering them to clients on freelancing platforms or by building your own dedicated service. This provides a scalable business model with low overhead. Managing social media can be time-consuming, but with AI, it becomes a streamlined and highly effective side hustle. This helps businesses and individuals maintain a strong online presence effortlessly. AI tools can automate content scheduling and engagement, posting at optimal times, and even interacting with followers. This ensures consistent visibility and saves countless hours, allowing you to manage multiple clients at once. Crafting compelling social media copy is vital, and I can assist here by generating captions, hashtags, and even ad copy that resonates with target audiences. This enhances engagement and drives traffic. Chatbots are revolutionizing customer service and business operations. Building custom AI chatbots for businesses is a highly lucrative side hustle, as companies seek to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. Businesses are drowning in data, but starving for insights. Leveraging AI for data analysis and reporting allows you to turn raw data into actionable strategies, a valuable service for any company. The global marketplace demands seamless communication. AI-powered translation services can provide fast and accurate language translation, opening doors for businesses to reach international audiences. Education is evolving, and AI is at the forefront. Developing AI-driven personalized learning and tutoring content offers a massive opportunity to cater to individual learning styles and paces, creating highly effective educational experiences. The real estate market is complex, but AI can simplify it. Using AI to identify property trends, values, and investment opportunities provides crucial insights for buyers, sellers, and investors, making it a highly sought-after service. There you have it. 10 powerful AI side hustles that can help you reach that $500 a day goal in 2025. The future of earning is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't wait. Start leveraging these tools today and transform your financial future. So, there you have it. 10 powerful AI side hustles that can help you earn real money in 2025. From creating content with AI tools, to building digital products, to offering services powered by automation, the opportunities are endless. Now, here's the thing. You don't need to try all 10. In fact, I recommend you pick just one side hustle that really clicks with you. Focus on it and grow it step by step. Success doesn't come overnight, but with consistency and smart use of AI, you can absolutely build an income stream that changes your life. Remember, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to empower us. The people who learn how to use AI effectively will always stay ahead, whether that's in business, freelancing, or passive income. So let me ask you, out of all the side hustles I shared today, which one do you see yourself starting with? Is it AI writing, AI design, automation tools, or maybe building an online business powered by AI? Drop a like and subscribe below, because I'd love to, as it motivates me to make more videos. If you found value in this video, make sure to smash that like button, and if you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next uploads. I'll be sharing even more strategies on how to use AI, technology, and smart financial moves to build the life you want. And before we close, here's a final thought. The future is not about who works the hardest, it's about who works the smartest. AI gives us the chance to work smarter than ever before. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today, take action, and your future self will thank you. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Until next time, stay focused, stay creative, and keep building your future with AI. I'll see you in the next video.